Okay, so once you have selected your infographic, there's gonna be a screen that actually says before the screen, use this template, and you can say yes. So once you are in the template, then you can edit. Okay, so I'm just going to call this carbs, and I'm going to decrease that, and I'm going to say, let's see if I can edit this. Should be able to. There we go. And I'm going to select anything in the boxes. So you'll notice that, or I can even erase that little box if I wanted to. All right. So you can come down here, you can edit this box, you can edit this box, you can edit this picture. So say you wanted to add a picture. All right, so let's just take this out. I'm going to erase this. Whoops. I'm going to erase this. Whoops. Erase that. Oh, I'm going to undo over here. Okay. I keep erasing people instead of the whole box. So you'll have to play around with this until you get it. But let's just say you wanted to do a picture. If I go over here to photos, and I might put in here food, okay, because I'm talking about carbohydrates. Whoops, let me type food correctly. And maybe I want to, instead of food, let me do something more specific. I'm going to do bread, okay, and I might move this picture into my infograph, and you can then adjust the size. Right, you can do all kinds of adjustments and edits. I'm going to leave that up to you guys. To be creative on how you want to do that. So you can decide whatever information you want to put on your infograph. You can add elements. All right, some of these you'll notice, like I'm going to go back here to photos, you'll notice some of them are, this little dollar sign means that you have to pay for them. Okay, so so you want to make sure that you select one that is free. So you can go here to these elements. You can add a text box. You can just grab a text box and put it in there, and then you can edit it as you need to. You can add a video. I wouldn't add a video because you don't need a video for your infograph. You can change the background. If I wanted to change the background here, that's how I would do it. You can upload a picture if you have a picture that you want to upload. And then you want to go over here to download, and you can share the link once you share it with your classmates. You can also email as well. And if I go here and I click on share, you can copy the link as well. Or you can present it. We don't really need to do anything. You want to primarily share the link, you want to download the link. All right, and it's going to download as a PNG. You can select if you want to do it as a PDF. I would probably do it as a PNG and then save it to your computer, and then that's the file that you're ultimately going to send. So make sure you know where you save your infograph, because that's what you're going to send to your person. So hopefully that helps. If you go here to File, and you can save to folder, you can make a copy. You don't really need to make a copy, but you can save to a folder. So you'll notice that I've got KSPR and I've got wedding, and you can create a new one. So I would create a folder and call this nutrition class, and then you can put your infographics for each one into that particular folder. Okay, so hopefully that helps, gives you a little bit of an idea. You can change the template if you wanted to. So if I didn't like this template, I'm going to change it to this, and I can add it as a new page or replace the current page, and I can change it as needed. So that's how you would create a template using the infograph.